Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone Air, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. So just tap on it. And here we've got the photo mode set, so I highly recommend switching to the video. Just tap on the video. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar, and on the left we've got the HD, so it's resolution and frames per second. So just tap on it, and in this device we've got two different resolutions from which you can choose. So it is HD, which is currently applied, as you can see it is highlighted, or we can set the 4K. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the resolution you wish to use. As you can see, in my case 4K is now highlighted, which means that from now on our device will use their chosen resolution whilst recording a video. In the same situation, if you wish to change frames per second, you can simply tap on the specific option. If it is highlighted, it means it is set. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.